The following math workout is rated MA for math. Brought to you by 3CSN in collaboration with UCLA. So it's late at night, and instead of doing your math homework, you're watching your favorite TV show. You're focusing in on your favorite scene from that show. In fact, you want to savor that moment forever. You even find a screenshot of the scene online. The one here, for example, is 4 inches wide by 3 inches high. We say it is a 4 inch by 3 inch screenshot or picture. But what if we wanted to blow up our screenshot so that it is poster sized? Perhaps to hang on a wall in a room. How do we make the picture larger without distorting it? Well, doubling the height, as seen here, while keeping the width the same, doesn't work. Nor does doubling the width only, while keeping the height the same, work. In each case, we end up with a distorted image. As it turns out, multiplying both dimensions, width and height, by the same number happens to create an image that is not distorted, one that we could use for our poster. The reason behind this is the concept of a ratio. A ratio is a comparison between two different quantities A and B, written A to B using a column notation where the column is read as the English word to, or A over B with B different than 0 using fractional notation. Be aware. Even though we use fractional notation for a ratio, the two are not exactly the same. A fraction represents a part of a whole, whereas a ratio simply compares two different quantities in a part-to-part relationship. Let's take a look at an example of this fact. We have a wheel with 3 yellow sectors and 1 red sector. We say that the fraction of red sectors in the wheel is 1 out of 4. This is a part-to-whole relationship. We're comparing a part of the wheel, the red sector, to the whole wheel. On the other hand, we say that the ratio of red sectors to yellow sectors in the wheel is 1 over 3, or 1 to 3. This ratio is a part-to-part relationship. It compares two different parts of the wheel. Going back to our poster, we knew that we started with a 4 inch by 3 inch picture. So perhaps doubling both width and height will create a non-distorted image. As you could see, that's exactly the case here as we get an 8 inch by 6 inch picture.